Okay, dear students, welcome to my online English class. I am Mustafizur Rahman Selim, Assistant English Teacher, Katalia Union High School, Katalia, Norshindi. Dear students, from my previous classes about tag question, you have learned some basic or fundamental rules of tag question. But today I am going to start some special critical problematic rules of tag question. Dear students, look at the whiteboard. Here there are two words, need and dare. Dear students, you know the two words need or dare are modal auxiliaries, but their uses are quite different. If the word need, tag question will be do, needs for does, needed be to did, need not, need. Dear students, follow this sentence. Here need, and this statement is affirmative, so tag question will be negative. Don't pronoun I, so don't I. The next sentence, Sami needs a toy. Dear students, here needs takes S, and this statement is affirmative, so tag question will be negative. As for does, there is no sign or symbol of any negative words, so doesn't. Sami, the word noun, but its pronoun he. Another sentence, Jami needed a t-shirt. Dear students, here needed be to, so did, the statement is affirmative or positive, so we should put here not. The pronoun of Jami is he. Dear students, another sentence, you need not go there. This statement is negative, so tag will be affirmative. Here need, there is negative word not, and the pronoun of you. Okay, dear students, I hope you can understand. In this same way we can use dare. Dear students, next I am coming to the another point. Look at this sentence. What a pity, how odd, how funny, who cares, who saves. Dear students, if you follow this sentence carefully, you will see that this sentence begin or starts with WS. If the sentence start with WS question and there is no operator or main verb, in this regard we must put isn't it for adding tag question. Isn't it, isn't it, isn't it. But these two sentences are exceptional. Here the sentence start ho. If the sentence start ho, tag question will do they. Do they. Here students, there is also an important rules of tag question. Here there is an operator M, but this operator is very problematic or critical. The statement is affirmative, so tag question will be negative. At the end of the sentence we must use put comma, am not amount, aren't or ain't, and the I is pronoun, so at the end of the statement I should put I. Okay, dear student, you can understand all of this sentence how to add tag. Then I come to the next rules. Dear students, there are some words, they look like plural but actually they are singular. For example, here news, mathematics, economics, physics, politics, etc. These words apparently seems as plural from, but actually they are singular from. For this reason their pronoun will be it. Dear students, this no news is good news. Here the statement is negative, so tag will be affirmative. Here there is operator, so is not, need not to add not because there is no or negative word. News, it. Next, mathematics made me anxious. Dear students, here made B2, so did, the statement is affirmative, so tag will be negative. Didn't, the pronoun of mathematics it. Another sentence, economics is my favorite subject. Here is operator, and this statement is affirmative or positive, so tag will be negative. Isn't, the pronoun of economics is it. Dear students, then I come to the rule 5. This rule is very important. Here everybody, nobody, somebody, someone, every, all of this word pronoun will be there. Dear students, every, so pronoun will be there. Here but knows takes S, so here will be does, but it is incorrect because here will be do. The statement is affirmative, so tag will be negative. Here another sentence, nobody was absent. The statement is negative, but tag question will be affirmative. Here there is operator and nobody. The pronoun of nobody is there. So here was not be set up because the pronoun, and here will be where the statement is negative, so need not put or write negative. Every mother loves her child. Here every pronoun there. Here but loves S, so I write down don't, not doesn't. Someone, pronoun then. There is operator here So here the statement is affirmative, so tag will be negative. Haven't. So dear students, you can understand that they never takes, does, is, has, does will be do, is will be are, and has will be have, was will be where, if the pronoun is there. They are not correct. Okay, here will be does for do, is for are, has for have, was for where. Dear students, I hope you can understand this. Again, I am coming to the next statement. The mother rose in her. The father in him rose. The brother rose in him at the pathetic side. Dear students, here the mother, the pronoun not will be she, because here the word mother or the word father and the word brother is not mother, father or brother. That means motherhood, fatherhood or brotherhood. Okay, dear students. So here there is no operator, but here rose B2. Okay, dear student. So I write down didn't. The pronoun of motherhood equal to it. In the same way, here verb B2. Didn't eat, because here the subject is father, but it is not father. Father equal to fatherhood. Another sentence, the brother rose in him at the pathetic side. Here verb B2. So did not, the statement is affirmative, so tag will be negative. Brother here means brotherhood. The pronoun of brotherhood equal to E. Dear student, I hope you also understand these critical rules. Dear students, look at the whiteboard. There are some other exceptional rules of tag question. Follow this word few and little. The two word indicates negative sense. On the other hand, if here add article, that means a few, a little, the word is positive. So dear students, there is little water in the pond. The statement is positive, so tag will be negative. Here there is operator, so I have to write is, this word is negative, so here need not write negative. The pronoun of there is there. Dear students, next the another sentence, there is a little salt in the pot. Dear students, here a little, this is not negative statement. Here there is operator, so I put here is. As this sentence is affirmative, we must write tag negative form. Isn't the pronoun of there is there. Next, I have few friends. Here the word few negative, so tag will be affirmative. Here there is a operator, so have as few is a negative word, so need not to write a negative the pronoun I. So okay, another sentence, Azmi has a few toys. Dear student, this statement is affirmative, so tag will be negative because a few positive. Here there is operator has. At first we have to write operator has as this sentence affirmative, so tag will be negative. Hasn't Azmi, then pronoun of Azmi he. Okay, dear students, I hope you can understand this fact. Few, little, or a few, a little. Then I come to the another rules. Here notice carefully, dear students, the headmaster and the secretary joined the party. Here there is two subject, one headmaster and another secretary. If the two subject take two article, the in this regard the subject are plural, that means two subject here. In this regard pronoun will be they. Okay, dear students, here joined B2. For this we have to write did. The statement is affirmative or positive, so didn't. Dear students, on the other hand, here the headmaster and secretary told many things. Here apparently it seems that there is two subject here, headmaster and secretary, but both of them are same person, because here I write only the one article the, so here pronoun will be he. And told, this is first form B2, so we have to write did. The statement is affirmative because there is no sign or symbol of negative, so tag will be negative, didn't he. Okay, dear student, you can also understand about these rules. Next, dear students, God, Allah, creator. The pronoun of God or creator or Allah will be he, and this word will be capital word. Okay, here operator is, so is, there is no negative word, so isn't Allah. The pronoun of Allah he must be capital letter. The creator has made the universe. Here there is operator and this statement is affirmative, so tag will be negative. Here has is a operator, so I write has. There is no symbol of any negative form. So negative hasn't. The pronoun of creator he. The word he must be capital. Another example, God is second to none. Dear students, here there is operator. This statement is affirmative, so tag will be negative. Isn't the pronoun of God he? He would be capital word. Dear students, you also understand these rules. I am again discussing about some exceptional rules of tag question. Dear students, follow this sentence. The brave deserve the fair. Brave, the idle suffer a lot. Idle, the unfit should be fit. Unfit, the jury gave their different opinion. The wise say so. The elite enjoyed the function. The poor suffer a lot. The rich are not always happy. Dear students, all these underlined words are adjective. If the article the are placed before adjective, they always referred plural form. So the subject pronoun will be they. So the brave, a pronoun they. The statement is affirmative, so tag will be negative. Here verb deserve be one, so don't they. Here the idols suffer a lot. Here verb suffer be one, don't they. The unfit should be fit. Here suffer, here should operator, so we must write should. The statement is affirmative, so tag question will be negative. The pronoun of the unfit they. Okay, dear student, the jury gave their different opinion. This statement is affirmative, so tag question will be negative. But here the verb gave be2, so did, there is no negative words. Didn't they. Here the voice says so. Verb be one, don't they. The elite enjoyed the function. Here the verb be two, didn't they. The poor suffer a lot. Here verb be one, so don't the poor, pronoun they. The rich are not always happy. Dear students, here the statement is negative, so tag will be affirmative. There is operator here are not negative word, so need not write negative. So the pronoun of rich they. Okay, dear students, you can understand this fact. Next, I am coming to the next problem. The baby sleeps. Dear students, you must know the pronoun of baby is it. Here verb sleeps, so does. There is no symbol of any negative sense, so doesn't eat. The baby is sleeping on the bed. There is operator here. There is no sign of any negative words. So isn't the pronoun of baby it. The baby slept. Here be2. Dear students, if the verb is be2, here we will add did. Didn't. The statement is affirmative, so tag will be negative. The pronoun of baby it. Okay, dear students. Next I am coming to the another rules. One should do one's duty. One lie begets 100 lies. One should not waste one's time. The subject of this three sentence is one. The pronoun of one may be one, it, or he. Here one should do one's duty. Here one refers to a person, so pronoun will be he. The operator should. There is no negative sign, so shouldn't he. One lie begets 100 lies. Here lie. Okay. The pronoun of lie it. The word begets takes s. Doesn't it. Another sentence, one should not waste one's time. Here one refers a person, so pronoun will be he. The statement is negative, so there is operator here. Should he. Okay, dear students, there are another two rules. Follow and listen to me. Here I is a first person, he is a third person, she is a pronoun. Dear students, here I, he, she, all of them are pronoun. You know, tag question always approved pronoun, but if any pronoun put on cap, okay, or wear cap, in this regard pronoun will be it. So here in this the operator is, so at the end of the sentence I must use comma, and is the constructed form of is, isn't. Here I equal to it. Okay, dear students, another sentence, he is a third person, so the statement is affirmative, so tag question will be negative. Here there is operator is, and this statement is positive, so tag question will be negative. Isn't it. She is a pronoun. In the same, by following this same rule, I can also add this tag, isn't it. Dear students, I hope you can understand. Then I am coming to the another rules. Dear students, you must remember that if any word add ing, for example, nothing, everything, something, telling, reading, walking, their pronoun always be it. Okay, dear students, nothing comes out of nothing. Here comes B1. So does nothing is a negative word. So the pronoun of nothing is it. Dear students, next I am telling about the another sentence. Look at this sentence, something is better than nothing. Here there is an operator and this statement is negative because the word nothing negative. So operator is needless to add negative form. The pronoun of something is it. Dear students, next, reading good books is a good habit. Dear students, here there is a operator is. In this sentence there is no any sign of negative words. So tag will be negative. Constructed word isn't. The pronoun of reading good books equal to it. Telling lies is a great sin. Dear students, here is an operator. So at the end of the sentence I must put comma, then I add tag question. Is the constructed form of is isn't, because the statement is affirmative. So tag question will be negative and the pronoun of telling lies is it. Dear students, I hope you can understand these kinds of rules. Dear students, now I am discussing about another exceptional rules. As well as, along with. Dear students, you know both of these words are used as conjunction in a sentence. Look at the whiteboard. Dear students, Rohim as well as his friends went to the zoo. Dear students, the statement connected with conjunction as well as. In this regard, we must use the pronoun the first person, not friends. Okay? Here verb B2. For this, we must use did. The statement is affirmative, so tag question will be negative. The pronoun of Rohim is he. Okay, dear students, I hope you can understand. Another example, I along with my brothers joined the party. Here along with is added in this sentence Here I and another subject bothers. Dear students, it seems to you that there are two subjects and their pronoun will be they. This is incorrect, as this sentence connected with along with, in this case, first subject will be approved. So dear students, here the verb joined be2 and the statement is affirmative, so tag will be negative. Didn't, pronoun I. Okay, dear students, I hope you can understand. Stop. Okay, okay, dear students, again I am coming to the another point. I think that he is an honest man. Dear students, this sentence consists of two clauses, main clause and subordinate clause. Okay, this sentence consists of two clauses, main clause and another subordinate clause. Here students, you should bear in mind the subordinate clause express the full meaning of this sentence. So we will take this part of sentence. Here operator is, this statement is affirmative, so tag will be negative. Isn't, pronoun he. Another example, I think that she is a liar. Dear students, this sentence also consists of two clauses, one main clause and another subordinate clause. In this sentence, she is a liar, this subordinate clause express the full meaning of the sentence. So in this regard, we have to add these parts. Here operator isn't, pronoun she. Okay, dear students, I hope you can understand that I am giving you another example, that she is a beautiful is known to all. Dear students, here subject she and modal auxiliary he, and this statement is affirmative, so tag will be negative. But here pronoun she, in front of pronoun here added that. In this case, in this regard, here pronoun will be it. So isn't it. I can give you another example. that he is honest is known to all. Dear students, here the statement is affirmative because there is no negative words. Here operator is, isn't. Here pronoun will never be he. Here pronoun will be it. Okay, dear students, I hope you can understand. Dear students, I have discussed many things about the rules of TET question, but in the next class I will come again with another topic. So be safe. No more today. See you again. Goodbye, dear students. Okay.